What is going on, my peoples? Woo! Oh yeah, you beautiful people are in for a treat today. I hope. About to do a little fishing with my buddies Ray. Oh yeah. And me and Ray about to do some fishing, man. Been having pretty good luck out here, so decided to come back out here again before the storm hit. Hopefully we don't get caught in the rain. If we do, oh well. So, I'm not gonna talk you all to death. I'm gonna go ahead and start fishing, guys. Let's hope we catch something. All right. All right, Ray hooked up on the first fish of the day. Trick worm. He wanted it, but he didn't know how bad he wanted it. That's all that is. Right now. Oh, I crossed you. My bad. Oh, shoot. And I'm still calling your line. My bad, bro. All right, you freak. Oh, I hooked him good. He swallowed that bad boy. All right, guys. First little fish. And he demolished it. He's not going to be big enough for G-Money. So I'm going to get him on back in the water. As Ray and is doubled up with me. Oh, yeah. Doubled up, baby. Water street, water street. Yes, sir. They starting to bite. That little rain. That's what it is, that little rain. All right. So as y'all can see, me and Ray doubled up. Nice little fishes. We're going to get them back in the water. That's what I'm talking about. Uncle Paul. Where Uncle Paul at? Yeah. All right, Damo. Damo gone. Back-to-back cast, baby. Come on in. Come on in. Yep. That's it. Hey, Jack. How you doing, buddy? My name's The Real Travis Scott. Didn't mean to hook you in the eye, man. Oh, I'm sorry, Jack. I think I got you out, Jack. Oh, yeah. Eye's good. All right, Jack. Get back in there, buddy. Off Jack goes. Woo. Jack was hungry. Oh, got him. Come on, Bobby. Right in the top of the mouth. Bobby, everybody. Take it easy, Bobby. And off Bobby goes. Woo. All right, guys. So we're still out here. Another little fish caught. All right, guys. Here we got Mike. Let's get Mike back in the water. All right, Mike. And off Mike went. Woo. Well, guys, if you're watching this, we are done. Caught a few more fish off camera. My GoPro died. Typical me, right? Not to bring my extra batteries. It's all right. Oh man, we had a ball, man. I think we were tied. I think we caught 7 apiece. Honestly, I think, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know how many I caught, man. It's rained out here, guys. They just started tearing us up out here, so it's pretty fun. But once the lightning hit, man, we had to get out of them woods. So I'm about to head home. Ray's about to head home, and that's gonna be it for us, guys. Take it easy, Skyheads. Peace.